Subscribe to Techdroids and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update in the future. Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf Shah from Techdroids, and in today's video I take you guys to the best $400 gaming PC you can build for the last month of 2018, that is December. And with Christmas right around the corner, you'll get some really good deals, so if you want to gift someone or buy one for yourself, this is the build for you. And this PC will be able to play all the esports titles no problem, and you can also do some modern day-to-day tasks and productivity no problem. And with some upgrades you can also play AAA titles at 1080p 60 FPS. In this video I take you guys to the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance of this PC and how you can upgrade it in the future to get some better performance. And with that being said, all the parts that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links, so if you want to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos, go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, let's get started. For the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 2400G. It's a 4-core 8-thread CPU that is unlocked, so you can overclock to get some extra performance. It has a base clock of 3.6 and a boost of 3.9 GHz. Comes with its all-rate stealth cooler and has a 65-watt TDP. It also supports the Vega 11 GPU that is clocked at 1250 MHz. So yeah, it has 11 compute units, and the GPU is actually built in. For $158, this is a really good package. To house that CPU, we have the Asus Prime B450-A. It's an AM4 B450 motherboard in the Micro ATX form factor, DDR4, HDMI and M.2, and also USB 3.1 with overclocking support. For $75, this is a really good motherboard that strikes price to performance and value for money. For RAM, we have 8GB of Patriot Viper 4 at 3000 MHz. Now this is dual channel. Don't do the mistake of getting one RAM stick with Ryzen APUs. They love dual channel. So two 4GB sticks at 3000 MHz. DDR4 should get the job done. For $69, this is really good RAM pricing. Storage, we have the Silicon Power 250GB 3D NAND SSD. Going with the SSD instead of a hard drive makes sense. This is 2018. It's high time. You need to have an SSD in every build that you do. Doesn't matter if it's a budget one. 250GB is a pretty good starting capacity, but this 250GB SSD should hold your operating system and a few games, and you will see the performance difference. And you guys can let me know in the comments down below if you actually build this PC how the SSD performs. Now to power this whole build up, we have the EVGA 500-watt W1 80+ watt certified power supply. This is a 80+ watt certified power supply with a 3-year warranty. Again, 500 watts should be more than enough to power this whole build up and also leave some upgrade room in the future. This retails for $34.99 and it should get the job done in my opinion. For the case, we have the Thermaltake Versa H17 in black. This is a Micro ATX case, so it's pretty small and comes with a brushed metallic look. It has a lot of space for its size and really good looks. It's pretty simple, pretty minimal, and also has a lot of expansion slots. And for $39, they should get the job done and should be able to house they should be able to house a decent sized GPU in the future as well. If you want to upgrade, and storage and things like that can also be upgraded no problem. That's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about performance and some future upgrades. So without a dedicated GPU, don't expect this thing to crush the modern AAA titles in 1080p 60 FPS. That's not what this PC is meant for. This is meant for the esports gamers and people who want to do productivity and things like that. So yeah, you'll be able to play games like CSGO, Rocket League, Dota 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, Fortnite and PUBG as well, but at the lowest settings. And yeah, you just have to tinker around with the resolution and settings to get the best playable frame rates. With a GPU upgrade in the future to maybe a GTX 1050, a 1050 Ti, a 1060. On the AMD side, the Navi GPUs are coming up soon. Also, if you can get something like a 560, a 570 or a 580, any GPU upgrade is welcomed, and that will unlock the real potential of this PC. And also in terms of future upgrades, as I said, adding a GPU is compulsory. You can upgrade the CPU to a Ryzen 7, no problem, in the second generation. You can add more RAM, if you have 8GB, you can go up to 16GB. That'll kind of be the mainstream standard in 2019. And also you can add more SSDs and hard drive storage, no problem. So yeah, future upgrades and performance is kind of sorted. And for $400, you're getting a lot, guys. The value for money on this build is really high. And that kind of wraps it up for this build. So yeah, if you enjoyed this one, go ahead and smash the like button. Also guys, if you want to support the channel, please buy from the links down below. Those are affiliate links, so yeah, they help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on this build, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.